withholding certificate. Now, for you who wanting a free copy of a PDF to this video of this form so that you'll know what to do, all you have to do is go to the description of this video and download this PDF absolutely free. Okay, it's from irs.gov. It's absolutely free. You don't have to give me your name or your email, and you can download this under the description of this video. Somebody asked me about this form, questions about this form, and how to file exempt. So on this video, I'll be showing you how to file an exempt. I also will be showing you more information. Now, as you scroll down on this form, you got to make sure that you're eligible to file exempt. That's what a lot of people don't understand. They think that they can just do it. You read all the general instructions. These 4 pages of this form. When you download it, it says the purpose of this form. You skip down what I have on the screen and make sure that you can see this. Okay. Purpose of this form is to complete Form W4 so that your employer can withhold the correct federal income tax from your pay. If it's too little, it's withheld. You would generally owe tax when you file your tax return and may owe a penalty. If too much is withheld, you will generally be due a refund. And that's why I shared with you guys one of my popular videos, how to get a big tax refund. Now, a lot of you have been commenting in that video saying, I don't want taxes taken out of my check. I want to get it throughout the year. Or it's other ways to get a big refund. I agree with you. I understand that. So for those of you who saying, I want my money through the year, you have to do what's best for you. And I also know that this 2023 Form W4 was updated. Okay, you guys, it was updated. It used to be that you had to put allowance. You could put the number on your form, like 0, 1, or 2, and then they would take out more or less based on the number of allowances that you put. This form does not have that. Okay, you guys, I did a video on that. So for those of you who don't know about that, you can go to my playlist on the W4 allowance forms on the certificate. Okay, and then you'll learn more. Now, let me skip down to exemptions. Okay, exemptions from withholding. It said you may claim exemption from withholdings for 2023 if you meet both of the following conditions. Understand this. You had no federal income tax liability in 2022, and you expect to have no federal income tax liability in 2023. You had no federal income tax liability in 2022 if your total tax in on line 24 of your tax return, a 22 form 1040 or 1040 SR, is 0 or less than the sum lines of 20, 27, 28, and 29. Or if you were not required to file a return because your income was below the filing threshold for your correct filing status. If you claim exemption, you will have no income tax withheld from your paycheck, and it may owe taxes and penalties when you file your tax return. So you may want to make sure that you read this information, you guys. For those, it said to claim exemption from withholding, certify that you meet both of the conditions above by writing exempt. Okay, it tells you what line to do on this form. For those who need help with this, you can download this form, but I'm going to share with you step by step. This is 2023. Okay, on the screen you should see, put step 1, enter your personal information. All of this, your first, last name, social security number, address, city, town, state, zip code, and then your filing. Okay, then you want to skip all the way down to where you see extra withholdings. Now, for those of you who are not filing exempt, let me tell you this. And you want to withhold more because since this form updated that your employee is not taking out that much from you like they used to. When they changed this form in 2020, they're taking out less. That's why a lot of people say, what happened to my tax refund? Where your employee is not taking out that much. So if you want extra withholdings, if you want to, not everybody don't want to. Some people don't want anything taken out. If you do, you can put like whatever you want. Let's just give an example. $10, $20, $30. You can put it on 4C and then they'll take it out. Then you just sign and date it. Okay, employee signature and date it. And then your employer will complete the rest. To file exempt, you should see under 4C, put exempt down here. All you got to do is write it under 4C. And it gives you the instructions on this PDF of all the information, exactly the steps that I told you from all of this, okay? And it says do not complete any other steps. You will need to submit a new Form W4 by February 15, 2024. So for those of you who won't know this information, because I know a lot of people have been asking me, and they saying, you know, I want my money throughout the year. I told you guys, do what's best for you, okay? It's different ways to get a bigger refund, which I'll be sharing in more videos, okay? But for you who want your money throughout the year, again, do what's best for you. Make sure that when you file exempt, for those of you who are eligible, you can do it. But if you're not eligible, make sure that you're eligible, you guys. That's why I said download this PDF that's under the description of this video, and then you'll be able to see if you're eligible and you can do it, okay? So I know it's inflation a hard time, then you guys got to do what's best for you. So do what works for you. But I will be sharing more in other videos, you guys, to help you. For those who were single with no dependents, I shared another video on this, the W4. You got to go to the playlist of that video and see that video that I did in 2022. To watch more videos like this, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, okay? I'll be sharing more videos on this. And those who need to schedule an appointment with me and learn more about me, everything is down in the description of this video, and the link is on your screen, okay? You guys, hope this helps. Feel free to drop comments or questions down in the video, you guys, and y'all have a great day.